Hey everybody, today we have a Yard Machines push mower. It's a 21-inch cut. It came from a neighbor of ours that said there's something wrong with the governor or something, and he used it. He didn't like it. The governor was messed up, so he just gave it to G Junior. So first thing I noticed is the pull cord is getting ready to break. Does it have any fuel in it?
That was a good question.
It has fuel in it and it smells okay. What about oil? Check the oil. While you're doing that, I will pull the air cleaner assembly out. And it has no air cleaner except for that stupid little foamy thing.
Pre-filter.
The pre-filter. And the pre-filter looks, oh my God, it's nasty. Very nasty. The pre-filter is super nasty.
Gee, oil looks pretty clean.
Oil looks clean.
Probably would change it, but
okay.
Not gonna do anything.
So, okay, the governor's free. Looks like it's just been sitting. Yeah, something's going on with the safety on and off. It's like it's pulling the cable. We don't know if it's the cable or if it's the actual mechanism. Let me walk over here. All right, hold on. Let me pull on it a little bit. Okay, let up. Now pull on it. I don't know. Pull on it some more. I don't think it's the mechanism. I think it's hanging up. I think the cable's hanging up. But we'll put a little spray in there. Move it back and forth. Any better?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Spraying back a little bit better now.
Can we spray some down?
Oh, it's got that weird mechanism.
Try moving it back and forth. Well, we have another cable that came off of the yellow lawnmower that's going to the dump over there that we just did a video on. Should we set it on the ground and see if it starts up?
Yeah.
All right. Go that way. All right. I got the front. All right. Let's get it off the rocks. Because you said it supposedly did run, correct?
Yes.
All right. Let's see what happens.
Choke.
Choke. Yeah, let's put the choke on.
Ooh, I smell bad gas.
You smell bad gas now?
Yeah.
Let me get the starting fluid and we'll hit it. Oh, I smell it now too. Of course it. Starting fluid ended up on the ground as usual. All right, give it a shot. It ran with the choke on, pretty good actually.
Ooh, I smell that bad gas some more
Yeah,
now.
probably just has some bad gas. And then let me give another. All right, give it pull.
Choke?
Yeah, choke it. Let's see.
Choke it.
Yeah.
Pretty quiet.
Very quiet. Okay, I'm gonna say that the carburetor is probably partially clogged up, or the gas is bad because when you take it off, when you take it off choke, it stalls. It seems like it's running okay. The gas is a little bit bad. It doesn't smell that great. We probably need to take the carburetor apart and clean it up.
And get an air filter for it.
And get an air filter for it. So it's getting kind of late in the day. I think maybe we'll just leave this one at it since it runs. It's like, you know, we don't really, we know what's going on with it. It needs the carburetor overhaul, that it needs some fresh gas. What's the blade look like on it? Any idea?
No.
The blade is pretty well chewed underneath. It's pretty rusty and crusty. The wheels don't look that bad. For a push mower, it's a push mower. I don't know what more to say. You know, I don't know if we're going to put any money into it. You know, we need to take the carburetor apart and clean the carburetor out, and it needs an air filter. Do you think we're going to be able to sell this one or find a home? I don't know. We'll
Possibly,
see.
maybe.
You know, there's Craigslist always. Alrighty, well, I think we'll just leave this one. This one runs. You know, we don't have to figure out why it doesn't run, but it definitely needs to have the carburetor overhauled. So I think we'll leave this one here. Just a real quick one on this one. Oh, and don't forget, in my description down below, we are selling merch. We have the G Automotive and More shirt with Mr. Gravelly on the back. So go check out my pop-up store in the description below. We have like 4 items. Take in, see if you are be interested in something and buy something. It helps out the channel. All right, everybody, we're gonna let this one go. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like my and more videos.